If I was forced to sell my house in 1 month, here would be my foolproof plan to prep in order to get top dollar. Number 1, declutter like a pro. Clear out excess clutter and personal items to make rooms more spacious and inviting. Number 2, deep clean every nook and every cranny. A spotless home exudes cleanliness and care, which entices the buyers to make an offer. Number 3, boost your curb appeal. A welcoming entryway will ensure a positive viewing experience. Number 4 would be to fix up any minor repairs. Patch up holes, touch up paint. This attention to detail will show the buyers that your home has been well maintained. Number 5 is where we stage your house for success. Here's where we arrange the furniture to showcase each room and show off its potential. Number 6 would be to highlight your key features. So I'll draw attention to the standout features like your hardwood floors, your updated appliances, or even a cozy fireplace. Number 7 would be to maximize your presence. Work with an experienced real estate agent like myself to make sure that your house is going to stand out. So not only will I have the professional photographs completed, but also a very strong marketing presence that's going to attract more buyers. So if you're looking to get top dollar for your house, let's make a game plan. You can call me at 203-209-2529. You can text me there too, or email me at jay@jaycannone.com. Thanks for watching this video and enjoy the rest of your day.